Understanding boiler certificate, a key to safety and compliance. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term that you might come across in various professional settings: boiler certificate. This phrase may sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and why it's important. A boiler certificate, also known as a boiler license, is an official document that proves a boiler has been inspected and meets all safety and operational standards set by regulatory authorities. This certificate is essential because boilers, which are used to generate steam or hot water, can be dangerous if not properly maintained. The importance of a boiler certificate cannot be overstated. It ensures that the boiler operates safely, protecting those who work near or with it from potential harm. The equipment complies with local, national, or international safety regulations. The boiler is efficient and environmentally friendly, adhering to emissions standards. Safety, compliance, and efficiency are the pillars that underline the necessity of having a boiler certificate. Obtaining a boiler certificate involves several steps, including 1. Inspection. A qualified inspector examines the boiler to ensure it's in good condition and operating safely. 2. Testing. The boiler may undergo various tests to check its efficiency and emissions. 3. Documentation. After passing the inspection and tests, documentation is submitted to a regulatory body. 4. Issuance. If everything is in order, the regulatory body issues the boiler certificate. This process ensures that only boilers meeting the highest standards are certified. A boiler certificate is not eternal. It has an expiry date. To maintain the certificate, regular inspections and maintenance are required. The boiler must be recertified periodically, which might involve re-inspection and additional testing. This ongoing process ensures that the boiler remains safe and efficient over its lifespan. We hope this video has shed some light on the term boiler certificate and its significance in ensuring safety, compliance, and efficiency in operations involving boilers. Remember, a boiler certificate is more than just a piece of paper. It's a commitment to maintaining a safe and compliant environment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay safe and keep learning.